think looking at antibiotic use and what we've done and what we could do in the future, I think when we look back to what we were doing with antibiotic use, we were throwing antibiotics at everything. Every cow that we were drying off got a full antibiotic treatment. Anything with the slightest hint of an illness got something like a Naxel or an XNL. If it had a fowl in the foot, it would get XNL rather than a pen strep. So actually the products we were using were, you could say that we might have been using less antibiotic, but we're using ones that were critically important in the food chain. So actually we've gone back to some of the old-fashioned antibiotics, which still work. So, why should we go away from some of those? If you're measuring antibiotic use in weight of antibiotic, we could be using more, which is always the challenge when you come to statistics. But it's important to say that actually what we're using are ones that have been around for centuries and have been proven to be safe and not be a food chain issue. Some of these newer ones, there are question marks over that. So we've become much more conscious of what we use. There's less available than there were, of course. There's less products that make it onto market than were. We also don't know what's on the market anymore because it's all done through the vets. So we're much more reliable on the vets to tell us what products we can and can't use. Whereas before, it was in all the press. There were adverts everywhere. There aren't anymore. So our knowledge in some ways has become more limited on what we can use ourselves. We have to find out from the professionals. So we have to have a trust in the professionals to be able to be on the same journey as us with that, to make sure we're not using these products. And that's important too.